Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on my new Samsung dryer. So I just purchased this one. I thought I'd make an unboxing video for it as well too. And first of all, what's included with this unit overall? Well, you got the user manual, of course, and also this little paper that the delivery people slash installers gave me. Yes, I purchased this one from Home Depot for all those folks that are curious. And the number I have is actually in the description. So this is a quick how-to guide, I guess, pretty much the guide, I guess. And the big thing over here is just the lint thing and also the duct pipe, and you don't want that to be bended. All right, so Samsung, and it has normal heavy duty bedding, active wear, sanitized, delicates, perm press, quick dry, time dry, air fluff, and those come with presets for the dryness and temperature. All right, so there's different settings that you could adjust for the dryness and temperature, or you could do time dry. That's possible too, or winkle prevent. You could turn that feature on. Eco dry, adjust the time, and damp alert. How damp alerts you. All right, to use this, a few things I discovered because I did the video while I just got the new dryer. You notice there's no buttons to press like my previous one, and I probably could do a comparison between the two. And there's more information here if you're interested in checking it out. But everything is touchscreen, and very modern look overall. You can notice very boxiness, and there seems to be a white light inside the unit. The big thing I noticed is the lint trap. So it looks like it's a better lint trap than the previous one because the previous one didn't capture that much. A lot of them end up going down over here, and I have to vacuum it out or something like that because you don't want a lot of lint to be stuck on your dryer because it takes longer to dry, which costs more energy as well, and also may wear down your heating element. So here's the inside. It's it's metal inside. It looks like it's aluminum. So it's pretty much the same quality in terms of the two. So this just more refined. So let's give you 10 years and see how much different the product is, right? And it's gonna turn it on. Just hit the arm button by just touch screen, and it says drying to cool, right? So you could change the different settings here. And it's very simple to use on the rotary knob, and then there's no clicking or anything like that. It's just really smooth. You notice the presets for the dryness and temperature are set for that once you just turn the knob over here. Just keep on turning, then you get different settings, and it comes with different time as well too. So normally we will use either normal or heavy duty, or maybe bedding, for example, right? I don't think we use the other ones that often, but it doesn't mean we don't use the delicate at all or anything that in particular. So sanitize. Wow, it's a 1 hour thing. Okay, so let's do heavy duty, or let's do normal. It's 42 minutes, right? And you can adjust these dryness and temperature. You also have this child lock. I guess you have to hold both the keys, then that function is enabled, right? There's also a time. You can set it for 60 minutes if you want, for example, too. Okay, when you press it, you start, and you have to press it monetarily. So that means you for 1 second or so. And if you were to press it again, then you'll put it in hold. So 2 buttons in one, and it's very technical, computerized now. Not like the previous one I used to have. It's just buttons, manual buttons. So you just press the off button, everything goes off. So I don't have anything in there right now, but I'm going to do a demo with some towels probably, and show you how that works. And yeah, it looks beautiful when it's new, right? Yeah, so yeah, it's really like very good quality. And here's some model number. W means white in this color. Yes, I'm hiding the serial number, so I don't want that to be floating around the internet or anything like that. But it's a nice clothes dryer overall. So let's put some clothes in there. Well, in fact, let's put some towels in there, and we're gonna run a demo over here. So this unit, how much I paid, I think a lot of people ask that. It's about 800 to 900. About, I got it on sale for about 840 with the tax and everything like that. So that's, I think it's a reasonable price, even though it's very expensive still. I feel like it's expensive if you look at the whole picture. And yeah, it looks a little bit different. Other one actually look better, but this one is not the most expensive one. So the big thing is the lint trap. It's like a pocket, and notice that, you know, it just holds the lint in there better than the previous model. To use this, you know, you just push that thing out, and I actually like to do the opposite because it's easier to see. You just open it up like that, then you can clean the lint, right? So it holds the lint, and not that much lint get trapped going down the duct, right? And you don't want a lot of them to get trapped on the pipe or anything like that, because that could, you know, not only is a fire hazard, also prolong the time it takes to dry your clothes, put more wear on the dryer, and the heating element may fail because of that. So you press it just like that. Default is normal. You just press this thing like this, right? Let me show you. It won't work. Oh, my wife wants to change the dryness and the temperature. Temperature you can't change unless in different mode. If you just press it like that, it won't work. So you notice that I'm doing that right here. Now it's working, right? So you have to hold it for about a second, right? So something to note. And you know, so that's the noise level. I mean, is that, you know, something that really fits, or you want something that does, you know, that's a little bit more quiet or something, right? So notice it's drying and it goes to cooling. Normal, heavy duty, all right. And you know, this unit, you know, notice only rotary knob you turn. Although there's a touch screen, so if you're okay with that. Past experience, touchscreen appliances would have the feedback, doesn't last that long, but this one's not really touch. It's not really touching the button directly. It's just like touch sensitive type of thing, right? So, you know, let me know in the comments, what do you think about that kind of button? I mean, I think it's okay so far. I mean, you know, to be seen, right? If there's any issues later on down the road. But the other one's mechanical button, which is really great. I really love the previous Samsung clothes dryer, but this one's a little bit different. So, and this is going to be the chime when it finishes. Yeah, actually it's a little bit longer. I only filmed part of it, and this is how it looks like when the lint is captured and when it's completed as well too. And you know, of course, I'm gonna clean that off camera. You know, anybody could clean the lint. I don't think I need to demonstrate how to clean and remove the lint. But you know, you can see how it captured a little bit more, I guess, than the previous one. And to put it in, you just close it in like this. I'm gonna show it again, just curious for those folks that didn't really see it clearly before. And you know, notice both ends need to be in, then the middle piece goes in. Very tight fit, so I can say that, right? Then you put it back into the dryer, clean before use, and make sure you clean it every time. So not only the life of the dryer and durability, you don't want that to get into the duct work and stuff. Hope you liked this video surprise today. I really appreciate a thumbs up if you made it this far. Comment to share, please leave it below, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.